What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So we have here a new video na gawa natin ng reaction. So this is ASAP Male Champions. So this was last Sunday, no, ASAP Live. Maraming nagtatag sa akin nito sa Facebook, especially sa mga mga JML fans dyan, kasi andito si JM De La Serna. So etong mga champions na to ay kumanta sila ng She's Gone. So napaka bardagulan daw yung nangyari. So tingnan natin, pakinggan natin ang naging bardagulan ng kantang She's Gone kasama yung ASAP Male Champions. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And by the way, you can follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So let's go. And pakinggan na po natin to. Let's go.
She's gone out of my life.
JM din to eh.
I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so
Raven. Okay, let's go. Nice. JM De La Chemo pala. Eto na. Ang daming fans. Basic. Okay. Okay, I can't stop laughing. Not because natatawa talaga ako like there's something funny. No, there's nothing funny about the way, you know, yung individual na parts nila, yung part na money note na yon. Natatawa ako, it's because talagang pinagbardagulan pa lang talaga. Kung sino siguro yung pinaka the best na maka-deliver ng part na yun, yung money note, money part na yun, di ba? Well, walang bias walang bias. All of them sang it with their own, you know, way, no? Kasi may mga ano tayo dyan eh, no? Iba-iba tayo ng technique, no? If you're a singer, iba-iba yung technique natin, iba yung technique mo, iba yung technique ko. The way sa paghagod ko ng part na yon, no? Depende, no? Pero man, I have to give it to JM De La Serna. It's because nakita ko kasi yung performance niya nito dati pa, no? Nag-perform siya nito solo performance, and it was very impressive. And I think that yung mga octave jump, no, yung mga ganun, 40 yun ni JM eh. That's why, you know, I would give him that part, no, dito. But yeah, let's continue watching the video though. Binawi ni Raven kasi medyo manipis at medyo mapaos-paos yung timbre ni Raven dito so binawi niya sa mga bali-bali. Galing din nito ni I already said this in the past. No, si Chemo, man, nakakatakot siya kumanta. No? I know that she can pull it off, pero, you know, hindi, andun yung di ako kampante. No? I know that he could pull it off, but the way, kasi yung technique niya, yung parang nasistrain na yung makikita mo sa leeg niya, no, na parang, man, any moment, no, konting lang, talagang pipiyok siya. Yung ganung yung ganung level, no? So, I don't know about kung ano yung ginagawa nila behind the scenes for, a little improvement about, paano niya i-hit yung mga high notes. I know that he can pull it off. Mataas at malawak yung range ni Chemo, man. Don't get me wrong, but yun nga, nakakatakot pakinggan. Ito. Woo! Effortless. Nilaro. Bro, I am so blown away and very impressed kay JM. Sa kantang to, man, I'm not gonna lie. I'd give JM De La Serna the first place, no? Kung apat sila, 'di ba? I'd give him the first place and I'd give the second place to the JM Yusuf. Nakalimutan ko. Basta, yung isang JM, magaling din 'yun eh, no? But it's just that forte lang talaga to ni JM De La Serna, man. Bardagulan. Grabe. Alam ko, I have the feeling na parang bitin pa kay JM De La Serna to, no? I know that he can do more, no? He can do more with a little tweaking and a little alteration if this was a solo performance. But yun nga, apat sila eh, 'di ba? Anyway. Sorry it's not because I'm biased, okay? Pero if meron pa talaga kayong if you really gonna see this performance in a very rational and neutral manner, okay? A bias aside, makikita mo, mukha pa lang, no? JM De La Serna, kanina natawa nga siya yung first na niya eh, 'di ba? Siguro dahil maraming fans na tayo sumigaw, but the fact that, man, he did it flawlessly, no? Nothing against the other three, kay JM, Raven at saka kay Chemo. They all did good respectively, but this was a bardagulan. It was meant to be a bardagulan. Nakita niyo naman, 'di ba? They were given each of them were given a time to shine doon sa part na 'yon, sa moment na 'yon, 'di ba? Doon sa money note na 'yon. No, so I think it's natural for me to say kung sino talaga yung nangibabaw, kung sino talaga yung gumawa or kumanta noon na talagang diba, impressive talaga. I'm gonna give it, okay, ulitin natin, I'm going to give the first place to JM De La Serna. If this was a grand finals, I would give the grand champion title to JM De La Serna. The first runner-up would be JM Yusuf. Nakalimutan ko yung niya. Basta yung isang JM. Tapos, the second runner-up will be given to Raven. And the third runner-up will be given to Chemo. If I were to really, put them in ranks, okay? So, anyway. Anyway, nakikarried away ako doon. So, Hope you guys enjoy that one. If meron kayong rebuttal comment, or meron kayong if you don't agree with me, just comment down below, okay? And tell me why hindi kayo agree, okay? Just comment down below, okay? Let's have a healthy conversation, okay? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.